Multiply two algebraic brackets. When we start to multiply, but we're dealing with algebra, it is often called expanding. In this example, we're asked to expand and then simplify these two algebraic brackets. How do we know that they're multiplied together? Well, basically we've got x plus 2 and then we've got nothing. We have got no sign or no operations, and that would mean that we are going to multiply them together. This type of question looks very similar to earlier questions we did when we had something like 20 plus 2 is multiplied by 20 plus 5. When we were multiplying together 22 and 25, we actually split them down into their decimal place value. As with any multiplying, we're now going to draw ourselves a rectangle. So one side of the rectangle is going to have x plus 2, and the other side of the rectangle is going to be x plus 5. And these are multiplied together. What we need to do is we need to break down this problem. We're not just going to work out one rectangle in a go. We're going to split it up so that we've got x plus 2 are going to be done separately, and then x plus 5 are going to be done separately. In this first box, we're going to do x times x. X times x can be written in shorthand as x to the power of 2 or x squared. In this box, we're going to be doing 2 times x. 2 times x can simply be written as 2x because we don't need to show the times sign. In this box here, we've got 5 times x, and that can be written as 5x. And in our final box, we've got 2 times 5, which is 10. And so we have 4 items, or 4 elements, 4 areas of this rectangle that we need to add together. We've got x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. So that is the area, or what you end up with if you do x plus 2 times x plus 5. The question does suggest that we simplify our answer. Let's have a look at our final answer and see if any other things that could be simplified. We've got a plus 2x and we've got a plus 5x. So altogether that makes a plus 7x plus 10.